Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Technology. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic software projects versus the other type of projects. What we're going to learn software projects versus other type of projects. Here the topic covers our introduction, what is a software project, what are other types of project, key differences software versus other projects, development life cycle comprehensions. Introduction. The introduction is project as a temporary endeavor with a goal to create a own unique product, service or results. The project is within a timeline. Generally, a project is a temporarily endeavor goal. Okay, it's a temporarily endeavor goal. It's to create a unique product. We're going to create a unique product or a service or a result is called as a project. Okay, the software project differs the significantly from non-software projects. Okay, the software projects are significantly differ from the non-software projects, such as the other non-software projects. What are all the things? Constructions, events, manufacturing, or something else, what does a software project? Now we're going to know what does mean the software project. A software project involves the planning, designing, coding, testing and maintaining software systems. Okay, the software project, or first we're going to plan what we're going to do for this project. Okay, and then the timeline of the project, what are all the resources we're going to do for the projects, how much manpower we need for that project, the goal of the project, the objectives. These are all the things we're going to planning. Okay, now and then designing. After getting a planning, we're going to create a one design for that project. Okay, the next one is we're going to write a coding for that designing, and then we're going to test for that coding. Okay, now if it is work it on or not. Okay, and then we're going to maintain the software systems, and then we're going to maintain the software systems. The examples of the software projects are mobile app development, website creations, logo creations, flyers creations. All are called as the software projects. Okay. What are other type of projects? The other type of projects is the building, constructions, event plannings, manufacturing products. These are all things are the other products. Okay, marketings, marketing, etc. Here I give a key differences between software versus other projects, software project versus other software projects. Okay, the features, I give a features aspects, software projects and other projects. Okay, nature of the product in software project is it's invisible. Other projects, it may be a tangible. Okay, the change management is highly flexible. It means if suppose we can complete one project. Okay, if you want to do any changes for that project, we can able to do that. Okay, but other projects, for example, we going to construct a one building. If suppose we want to do any changes for that construction, we going to broken all things, and then we going to rework for that. Okay, okay, so it's have a it's a so if we can do like that, we can spend more money for that. Okay, again we going to spend the money for that, and then it's a less flexibility. Okay, the tool used here, the tool used IDE, Git, CI bar CDs. Okay, in non materials, machineries, materials, AutoCAD, like that. And then the testing, manual and automated. The testings are manual and automated. Here the physical inspections. Here the other projects there is physical inspections. The next one is life cycle time estimation, stakeholder involvement, failure risk documentation. These are all the things, features of the aspects. I give a differences between the software versus the other projects. The next one is the development life cycle comparisons. The development life cycle comparison. Software project life cycle. The first one is requirements gathering. Requirements gathering, and then design, developing, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Okay. Here I give a non-software projects. Okay, here the planning, budgeting, site prepare, constructions, inspections, handover. The conclusion for this topic is, while both software and non-software projects aims are specific outcomes. Okay, the both projects have a specific outcomes. Without outcomes we won't do for anything. So all have some outcomes. They differ in process, flexibilities, tools, risk, and a life cycle. Okay, understanding these difference helps in effective project management across the domains. Hope all you have understand this concept in software project management. Thank you all.